I'm surprised. How is these buttons on 2 of the floors are being beat up? But this is still no change. This is the retake of the elevator at the SportChek Sherway Gardens, and how are these buttons got beat up? And the panel too is being beat up either.
Lower level.
Let me see something. They got another panel, got mad BS buttons. How? I like these original, this is nice and custom. They got beat up. They got beat up. These buttons are still working in good shape.
Second floor.
Oh wait, Insta-door grills. Carview. I do not like the camera, please. I do not like the camera in the elevator. Not look like Yorkdale and just go on, they don't have a camera in the elevator. This is a nice elevator too. But the buttons, not certainly impressed. 3,500 pounds capacity.
Lower level. Going up.
There it is, LL. Don't understand why this button's being beat up. That's where I'm ending it.
Second floor.
I don't understand. I remember I filmed this as a brand new elevator, and now the button, the call station button, is being replaced by mad buttons. I don't know what type is it, but I forgot. And these buttons in here are just the newer versions of this elevator.